your boy Sir Almighty Sir, man. Yo, what's up, everybody? You know what I'm talking about. This your boy Sir Almighty Sir, man. I'm back on the wheels of steel again, man. You know what I'm saying? The radio station. You know what I'm talking about? That's popping off. I don't think that y'all really know what time it really is, man. We're talking about politics. You've read what I have in the side of the YouTube. I mean, people that is just learning who I am and everything like that, they don't know that this is a real radio station. People are listening to me from all over the world. That's what I'm saying, man. I'm worldwide. You know what I'm talking about, but I can tell how many people have actually heard about this. Y'all are not, telling your friends and everything like that. It's really pissing me off. I'm sorry. I hope that's not a bad word, because I'm trying to get in there somewhere like, that nobody would have to say parental guidance. You know what I'm saying? Because, that's just another blow to a black man. I'm serious. I mean, I know that this candidacy, this political thing is not all that what it's cracked up to be, and we should be looking at something else like the war. You know what I'm talking about? Other than, what I'm saying, the race factor with Obama. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how many people are looking at this. I'm serious. You know what I'm saying? I mean, is the world ready for a black president, man? If you have to, that statement means some type of relevancy, he's not going to make it. I swear to God, man. People are going to actually vote John McCain in, and I'm serious. If they vote John McCain in, he just don't look like the type of fella that you want in office. I'm just saying. That looked like it is for me, but I'm not. This is a joke. This is a comedian joke. I'm sorry about that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm saying, as far as John McCain, he got in the door just like everybody else. I mean, based on their experience. The only thing I know is that he been a POW. You know what I'm saying? A prisoner of war. If you don't know, I mean, I look at that and I say, you know what I'm talking about? Who had him in a prisoner of war? You know what I'm saying? I want to know about these things. I'm into politics, and I'm into politics, and I thought about giving this radio station a chance. It's something that I always wanted to do. It's a coincidence. I'm not on here just to talk about politics. But yes, you know what I'm saying? Personally, I'm not here to talk about politics, but I'm here, as on business, talking about, my radio station. That's what I'm is. I'm coming out here talking about politics. That's what my radio station is about. See, I don't want you to get it mixed up like I'm trying to talk about politics just by talking about it like my opinion. It really matters. But what I'm trying to tell you and everybody else that, John McCain, I really believe that since he's somebody that likes, President Bush, I seen the guys together, what I'm talking about, what I'm saying. I mean, they were really, like endorsing each other. I'm just trying to tell you the truth. So if he run for presidency and win, that is because Bush is bagging him. You know what I'm saying? I'm serious. He is telling the people that some people still like Bush and he's okay with them, and that's really scary. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody just say anything about anybody, and black people just believe it. You see what I'm saying? I mean, you know what I'm talking about? They say Bush is really, he done something very ignorant, and that he, don't pay attention, and he's got like, a mental illness or something. He's got like a mental illness and everything, and that's what made him fly off the handle and start this war. You see what I'm saying? And people saying that, and then black people listen to all of that, and they just fall right in like, yeah, we got a dumb president. You know what I'm saying? We talking about a president that can turn ourselves back to slavery. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, it's the truth. I am a comedian, but it's my radio station, and see, y'all gonna have lots of this, and so that's like getting two things at once. I'm talking about politics and things. Well, that's John McCain. I don't like him for, I respected him, but when I looked at him, he just didn't look like he was the right type to be president, just because the way he looked, and that's really messed up. Because when you're talking about, I shouldn't be saying that because I'm black. You know what I'm talking about? And that's like the primary reason why you probably don't like me yourself. You know what I'm saying? Because of my race. You know what I'm talking about? No, I'm just playing. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of cool white cats that's out there that, really, race does not play a role. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's right, man, because I'm on YouTube. And don't nobody really listen to me, man. You know what I'm talking about? So I'll be like, man, didn't I, spend my time to make these jokes? You know what I'm saying? Didn't I, I started, copying things down. Like, I did a lot for this community. You know what I'm talking about? feeling like I done too much. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, but John McCain, you know what I'm talking about. I don't like him personally because it got on a personal side. He said that he didn't know who Dr. Martin Luther King was. I don't know what made him say that. You know, what made him say that was they found out that he was not bagging. He was one of those people that was in opposition of getting Dr. Martin Luther King his holiday. It was something like that, I believe. I have to look at it again if somebody could help me, but it was something like that. But anyway, it was true to the fact that he said that he voted against Dr. Martin Luther King the first time to get him a holiday for his name. You know, after all what Martin Luther King done, Dr. Martin Luther King. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And he said, everybody, you know what I'm talking about, because you know there were people better than him, like the presidents and things that needed their holiday, which was true. It's a good statement, but you know what I'm saying. He said that he didn't know who he was. He said when he found out who Dr. Martin Luther King was, do you understand? You know, he said when he found out, he went there, and you know what I'm saying, and he started pushing for that to be a holiday, and he turned out to be one of those, you know, that was really fighting for it, you know, being public with it and things of that nature. I don't know, maybe he was running for something then. You know, that's how I look at it, man. And so I don't like him just for that, you know. I'm like a person that gives political views, but I am in no way, you know, entitled to talk about that. You see, if it wasn't for me, you know, being a comedian, I would have done that. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? You know, you're listening to me and you're wondering a lot of things. Now, like I said, Barack Obama, I said I'm not really a faux Barack Obama. Speaking as a black man, I have not really, get in depth with learning about him. You know, I learned about him like all the other rest of the people. When they hear something, they just go along and fly with their opinion and stuff about stuff. That was what I was doing at first. But, you know, I started to say to myself, man, I can create a show about this. I mean, any little bit you give to African Americans about anything different than rap, you know what I'm saying, and just being a comedian talking about, you know, other things about relationships and things of that nature. But I'm talking about politics, man. You have to look around at that, man. I don't really have to really know my material. I could just talk about it and be different, you know what I'm saying, and people would take notice because of that. You know what I'm saying? That takes some genius work, man. That is why I'm teaching people how to be a player on this station. That's another reason why you should watch. You know, get involved with your politics and things, because that's what I be talking about. You see what I'm saying? Who gonna be president? Is Barack gonna be there? Is his race gonna be an issue? We want to know. You know what I'm saying? I personally don't think he's gonna make it the presidency, but hey, you know what I'm saying? He's doing real good. He's doing better than Al Sharpton and Jesse Jackson, who I think, you know what I'm saying, led the way. You know what I'm talking about? You may talk about them and you may say anything you want, but they got a legacy because they can say they were the first ones who ran. You see what I'm saying? And see, that would make you think like a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? A pimp like me can't really talk about things. You know what I'm saying? And you got Al Sharpton, you got Jesse Jackson, who did make and paved the way. See, people slip on people, you know what I'm saying, when they don't take them serious the first time. Yeah, now they turn around and say, man, look at those people. You know what I'm saying? Look at Jesse Jackson, look at Al Sharpton. They ran, and now look what they done laid to. You know, imagine if somebody was out there, you know, that didn't like, you know what I'm saying, a Barack Obama because of his color. You know what I'm talking about? I heard a lot of things about Barack Obama, but you know what I'm saying? I was listening to C-SPAN one day, and this lady came on and said, I was going to vote for Obama. She was like, you know, white. You know what I'm talking about? And then she was like from down south, and she was like, I was going to vote for Obama, but when he drug his grandmother into the conversation that he said, you know what I'm talking about? You know, his grandmother is dead. You know what I'm talking about? She done talked about him, he done talked about him and said something about her. You know what I'm saying? Treating black people wrong. You know what I'm saying? Telling her, you know, telling the people that Barack Obama, you know what I'm saying, heard his grandmother tell him that she was scared of black people when they crossed the, you know, and they crossed in the street and things of that nature. She get very painful. You know, I was going to vote for him, but I'm not going to vote for him. That is what she said, man. I was sitting here today, player. You know what I'm saying? I was listening to C-SPAN on Comcast cable. That's what we got. I don't know what you got. Maybe you want to tell me where you get to your news, but you do look at C-SPAN because that is World Wide Web, man. I mean, that's not World Wide Web, but man, I'm doing the same thing. You know what I'm talking about? That's the way I look at the government, man. That, hey, what they doing better than Mofetti?